Albany, New York, settled in 1614, right there on Castle Island. That's the mouth of the Normanskill. And that's known as Port of Albany. Castle Island goes up to about where those tankers are. Then that's Cabbage Island. And then there's a couple more little islands down there, but they've all been filled in with landfill. Because every time they dredge the Hudson River, they got to put the mud somewhere. So they connected all the islands and they attached them to the mainland. That's known as Port of Albany. 1614, the Dutch put a fort there for trading beaver skin with the Indians. And then in 1623 or 24, they moved it up to Fort Orange, which is where Albany is. This is the farthest north that ocean-going vessels can get. There's a couple ocean-going vessels right up there. The Port of Albany is as far north as you can get in the Hudson River with big oil tankers. So that's why they got oil tanks up there. On the left, you see a big river barge being filled with scrap iron. Tons and tons of scrap iron to take down to, I don't know, Pittsburgh. We'll say Pittsburgh. There's the city of Albany. Scrap iron on the Rensselaer side as well. Probably can't hear that. Scrap iron and barges go on the Rensselaer side. That's the east side of the Hudson River. That's the west side where Port of Albany is, and there's Albany. All right. See, the Port of Albany is heavy industrial, and it's not really that far from the city of Albany, which is not industrial at all. It's capital. It's just office workers. And the Hudson River isn't really dredged out that far north for super tankers. Here's the last of the super tankers and barges.
Oh, it tells us where it's from. What's it say on the back?
You believe that?
Yeah. Now, is that going to turn back around?
Yeah. Better swing that bridge around before the train comes.
This is so awesome. I hear a train.
Yeah, I hear a train.
Yeah, you gotta get it spinning. Look at it spinning around.
Oh, we're spinning.
Oh my God, this is so cool.
I bet that thing is so well balanced. Ha ha.
This is the train.
Here comes the train. Boop, boop. Here comes the train.
Here's the
I hope
train.
you got that bridge all set up for the train, mofo.
Oh my God, here comes the train.
Boop. That's an Amtrak. That's a commuter train coming in from Rensselaer.